so let's start with the next question. It says, have a look at the A. It says, what apparatuses? Here it says the same question we have done before also. There is no plural form of this particular word. This word is present only in singular form. The correct word is only apparatus. It's one apparatus only, right? What apparatus do you use for performing this experiment? So B, C and D are error free, so we can get rid of them, and A is our right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. There are no machineries. There are no machineries to complete such a huge order overnight. Let's start again. Let's start solving the other questions. There are no machineries. The first answer choice says. Now we have already done that there are certain words which are always present only in the singular form. So out of that particular list, there is one word called name of instruments, right? So that is, the correct word is only machinery. There is no plural form for this particular word. So this is the error over here. We can get rid of B, C and D. So our right answer will be A. Next question. The 200 hens lay about 30 dozens. So 200 hens, that's fine. Perfectly fine. This is the subject and lay is our verb. So 200 hens lay about 30, that is fine. So we can get rid of A. 30 dozens of egg. So dozen is a unit which is not self-sufficient, right? So we have already learned the rule that the unit which is not self-sufficient to explain itself, to express its meaning, is present only in singular form. So we don't have any plural form for the word dozens. There's nothing called dozens. It should be only dozen. Fine. So we can get rid of C and D. Our right answer is B. Let's move ahead to the next question. She wears spectacles. Wears is the verb. Remember, singular verb ends with S. Like he reads, he writes. So singular verb ends with S. So that's why she wears. Wears is the verb. It's a singular form of the verb. She is the subject. She wears spectacle. There is no word called spectacle. This word is present only. See, the spelling ends with spectacles. Remember, we have done the list of the word spectacles. Draw like this. Can be divided into two equal halves. They are always present in the spectacles. There is no word called spectacle. Right? Two equal halves like jeans, spectacles. Right? Where are my spectacles? So, this spectacles is present only in this S form and it is always present in the plural form only. That is why this is the error over here. Spectacles is the error over here. Subject verb agreement is fine, but the word spectacles is wrong over here. So, our right answer is A. We can get rid of B, C and D. Clear? So, spectacles always present only in the plural form. There is no word called spectacle. Clear? See, if you look at the meanings, spectacle is the view, right? If you talk about spectacle, it's a view. Whereas, when you put this plural form of it, if you say spectacles, then it is the specs, those specs which you wear. This is the spectacles. Now, this is something which you can wear, right? This is the view. So, do you need a singular form or you need the word with spelling which is ending with S? We need a spelling which is ending with S. So, that's how it will be spectacle. Clear? So, let's move ahead to the next question. Next, all the furnitures have been. Now, the furnitures. There is no word called furnitures. It's not present in the plural form. The correct form of this word is only singular. Furniture. We always say furniture. There is a furniture shop. In the furniture shop, you'll have lot of furniture, right? You'll never say furnitures. Say, I'm going to buy furniture for my house. I may bring two big sofas, one small sofa, one dining table, one bed, whatever it is. Even if I'm buying 10 items, I'll still say I'm going to a furniture shop to buy furniture. Here it's always present only in the singular form. So over here, have been is the verb. So what have been sold? All. The subject over here is all. All is a pronoun and it is the subject. But the furnitures is present only in the singular form. This S is not needed over here. This is the error. Error over here is in the form of furniture. So sold for a song, as we were in a hurry to leave, that is fine. So A is our error. Answer choice which has got the error. So A is the right answer. Rest B, C and D are error free. Let's move ahead to next. She likes to feed. Who likes to feed? She. Subject verb agreement is here. We can get rid of it. She likes to feed whom? Poor. So there's no word called poor. The correct expression is only poor. So it's always rich. Poor. No poor plural form of them. Right? So if you say S, if you put after them, that is the wrong answer. So we will get rid of C, D and our right answer is B, which has got the error. The answer is B. Let's move ahead to the next question. They left. Who left? They left. Subject verb agreement, fine. This is perfectly fine. Get rid of it. They left their what? Luggages. Now luggage, remember when I told you there are words which are present only in the singular form. The common ending I told you AGE. In that AGE format, I said that luggage, baggage, right? Luggage, baggage, these are all always present only in the singular form. There is no plural form for them. We don't have the word luggages. Even whether you are, see, I have lot of luggage. If you are going and you pack 10 bags also, then those 10 bags also are called as luggage only. You will not say luggages just because you have 5 bags or 10 bags. You will not say baggages or luggages. They'll always be present only in the singular form. Right? Baggage, postage. So you see the word postage is also ending with AGE. So there is no word called postages, luggages, baggages. They are from the singular only. The word is, we cannot add S or ES after them to make the plural form. They are present only in the singular form. That's how B is the error. We can get rid of C and D. Your answer is B. Right? Let's move ahead to the next question. The Indian force drove away the intruders. Right? So which force? The Indian force. Do you really say Indian force? Over here, you have to replace the word Indian force with the Indian forces. We always say forces. It's always present in the plural form, ends with S. Right? So, A is the error over here. Get rid of B, C and D. Move ahead to the next question over here. These pieces of jewelries. Now, these pieces is fine. This is perfectly fine. Of what jewelries? Jewelry is a word which is present only in the singular form. Remember, like the previous one, the common ending ERY is present only in the singular form. So whether you say jewelry, poetry, so if I say poetry ending by ERY, RY or ERY, they are present only in the singular form. Poetry, you can say scenery, you can say imagery. They are all ending by ERY. So they are always present in the singular form only. We don't have the plural form of it. You say jewelry, ERY, only singular. We don't have the plural form. They belong to the family of singular words. So we can get rid of A, C and D. Our right answer is B. So the point of this slide is, if the words are ending with ERY or RY, they will be always present only in the singular form. We don't have any word like poetries, imageries or jewelries. It's only jewelry, imagery and poetry. Fine, great. Let's move ahead to the next question. Then we have the Satyajit Ray, who conceived, co-authored and directed. So Satyajit Ray, who conceived, who co-authored and directed. Till here everything is fine. And directed a number of good films. A number of good films is also fine. Who was? So Satyajit Ray. So this is subject, this is verb, fine. One of the India's most talented filmmakers. This we have been doing it repeatedly. You always take one from many. Now, one of what? One of filmmakers it should be. How you can take one from one? It has to be filmmakers. We cannot have the singular form over here. One from many only you can take. You cannot take one from one. So, the right answer for us is C. We can get rid of D. Our next answer is question. We'll move ahead to the next slide. I think this is not your book. So, who think? I think this is fine. This is not your book. Fine. It is somebody's else book. So, somebody else. This is the error over here. When you say somebody else's, you can say. You cannot say somebody's else. The correct expression is somebody else's. Apostrophe plus S will always come with the else's. Right? It's somebody else's. Somebody else's. So, C is the error over here. So, that's the right answer. Our correct answer is C. We move ahead to the next question.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC.